Today is a very exciting day in the Farm to Fork kitchen because we have a very special guest, Angelique Patak from Patak's family. You are the granddaughter of the founder of Patak's. You know all there is to know about these beautiful spices and you're an amazing cook. You've got a cookbook and I think you've got a very special dish for us today, am I right?
Absolutely, you are going to love this dish. So we're using our butter chicken paste and we're gonna be making a baked butternut with feta and mint. And a lot of people think, I guess, butter chicken, it's gotta be saucy, it's gotta be your butter chicken. No. We're using it as a marinade. I
love that. That's a great thing about these spice pastes. They've got loads of flavour in there and they don't have to be just made into a wet curry. You can do whatever you like with them. You can use as a base for lots of different things. All right, well, let's start cooking.
Right, so we have got our butter chicken paste, which we're gonna use as this marinade.
I use this in all kinds of things. I use it in sausage rolls, I use it in pies, I use it in lots of different things.
I'll give you one, I'll take some. Okay. So we're gonna put that all over our really nice scooped out. So I'll put it on for you so you know how much.
So just scoop the seeds out.
Yeah,
cut it in half.
Yeah, and then just get it all over. And don't be shy. You know, don't be shy. Get some. It's obviously quite. This is a really nice, beautiful, large butternut here. So we're going to get it all over the bits, all over the inside, like all over the outside.
Colouring in at school. Don't go outside the line.
And we've got our oven actually heating up, ready to bake this.
Yeah, beautiful.
So 200, and then this size, we're looking at what, like 45 minutes?
Yeah, it's going to take a while, right? But right now, oven tray.
Yep, ready for the oven.
Beautiful.
There you go.
I can already start to, this is going to taste amazing. I can already tell the sweetness of the pumpkin with that beautiful paste.
Totally.
Heaven. All right, so into the oven, let it roast.
45 minutes.
Beautiful. Oh, wowee. That smells amazing.
That looks special.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, it does.
I get exactly what you're saying. It's look at that, special.
Yeah, that is special.
Oh, nice and soft. Yum.
So what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna make a little score around here. Oh, look at that. It's so soft. I'm just gonna score to leave a little bit of a border.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna scoop everything out of here and put it in a bowl, and you're gonna put some more things in that bowl for me.
Okay, I love it.
So if you can put me in some crumble feta.
Yes.
Get that in there. I'll get this out. Oh, yeah.
That's yum.
Excellent. Now, obviously, this is going to be pretty hot, but yeah.
Yeah, so you want to mix it in hot?
I do, yeah. Get me in some spinach, please.
Whole, chopped whole?
Yeah, you can just rip it with your hands if it's large pieces, otherwise baby spinach is great. Nice. Then we'll go in with some mint as well, roughly chop the mint.
Yep, love it.
And you can see that we're just adding a little bit of flavour. We're just kind of building it up really.
And all things that go well with pumpkin, right? You know, the creaminess of the feta.
Yeah.
Mint and pumpkin are best mates.
Here we go, there you go.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at that, look at that. And you know, it's okay to keep it chunky.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're going to be putting all of that back in here. All of that flavour is already in this butter chicken here.
This looks beautiful. We've got lots of different things that go really well with pumpkin.
Yeah, so as you can see, we're just like layering up the flavours.
Nice.
All the good stuff really is, though, in that spice paste. Yeah. You know, that's where all the flavour really lies.
This is one I can see. You put down in front of your family and your friends and they're going to be blown away by the visual.
Absolutely.
And they get to taste it then, it's amazing, so.
And then if you can get those sun-dried tomatoes, put those in for me as well. They were a little bit sweet.
Okay, yep.
So that's going to work incredibly well with this.
Perfect.
As is my next ingredient, which is another of my favourites, grew up with on my kitchen table, literally like every single night we would have a little bit of chutney.
Oh, nice.
A little bit of chutney, a little bit of pickle or something. So these accompaniments, you know, that kind of really spice up your Indian dishes.
I love that mango. That mango chutney is really good. It's sort of that nice sweetness, that little bit of acidity and that sort of warmth. It's a beautiful combination.
Yeah, it's special, it really is special. And that you can also use in so many other ways than just sat on the side of a plate, which is what we're gonna do now in this. Now I've scooped everything out. So if you can stir up your filling for me, I'm calling it a filling.
Yeah.
Get a little bit more in there as well.
Beautiful.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna get a little bit of mango chutney.
Okay. I like this. Oh, here you go. I got you. I got you. Oh,
that was on quite tight.
You know it's tight because it's got so much flavour in there. It's sealed in all that flavour.
Locked in. If you could pass me a spoon.
Of course.
Thanks very much. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that into each of these, which when it goes in the oven, That is just gonna caramelize up a little bit on the sides.
Nice. How nice is that?
Yeah, that's gonna be really delicious.
We're going straight back in there?
Fill it up.
I love this. This is just a fun way of cooking and serving food.
Yeah.
Like, quite easy ingredients to get. You can, you know, find them at your local Coles, and it's sort of quick, easy, healthy veggie dinner.
If you grab the microplane for me, I'll just...
Swap you.
Yeah. A little bit of lemon zest on top.
This is a fun dish. All right, Angela, this is a good one.
Yeah. Sold.
Yeah, I am.
There you go. And that's ready to go back in the oven for about 10 minutes just to warm through.
Have a look at those.
Yeah.
Actually, they look amazing.
Yeah, they really do.
I get exactly what you're saying. They're just a beautiful, like, centre table,
Yeah.
blow people away.
Yeah.
And the smell, like, I think the caramelising of that mango chutney is really what I'm getting now, that nice
That
sweet.
pop.
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
added to it.
And you can really like smell like that smokiness that you get on, you know, that butter chicken paste.
So nice.
All right. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, let me give you a
I
hand.
got it.
Got it?
Whoa.
Well done.
That is a mammoth meal.
This is serving a big this is a big family of four.
Yeah, it is. Delicious, delicious. And this is just great with just like a side salad,
Yep.
you know? You don't need really too much.
I love it.
Wow. Yeah.
How good does that look?
Incredible, incredible. That is baked butternut with feta and mint.
Angela, I absolutely love it. Beautiful.